Sri Lanka's insurance market is about to undergo wide-reaching changes. Here to tell us more about the challenges ahead is Mohan De Alwis, Managing Director and CEO of Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation. Mohan, welcome.
Thank you very much.
So tell us about the history of Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation. You have gone through some changes yourself?
Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation was brought in as a government organization in 1962, 1st of January 1962. And since then it has been coming through and facing a few changes. In 1988, the industry was liberalized. There were lots of competitors that came into the market. In 2002, the company went through a change when it was privatized. And back again in 2009, the ownership reverted back to the government.
How is the industry about to change and how will this affect your clients?
The insurance industry is having the Insurance Industry Act, which requires that both life and general industries be separated and separate companies be incorporated. A composite company like SLIC will have to go through this change. We would look at separating these two companies, forming two companies, and this has to be done by February 2015. The second requirement that comes with the Insurance Industry Act in Sri Lanka is that by February 2016, these companies needs to be listed in the Colombo Stock Exchange.
What types of products and services do you offer your clients?
It's a mixed bag of products. We got endowment life policies, and you can couple that with critical illness covers, surgical and hospitalization, family protection, and that can be mixed together. Then we have children's products, investment products, and retirement products. And that's on the life side. On the general industry, general insurance, we have fire, engineering, personal accident, marine, banker's indemnity, workman's compensation, a whole host of products that we have.
How does this offering differ from that of your competitors?
Being the national insurer, we always look at the mass market. I'll give you an example with regard to the migrant employees. Now, Sri Lanka has a huge migrant employee population, which is incidentally the highest income earner in terms of foreign exchange. So we've come up with a product for personal accident whilst they are away. Another factor that is very salient with us is that we've been able to pay the highest bonus for our life policyholders. Now that is possible because we've got the highest life fund in Sri Lanka. At the moment it's running at 60 billion rupees.
How important is staff training in delivering top quality products and services?
Insurance industry is a knowledge-based industry, and it requires qualified staff, and also they need to be updated in the latest changes in the industry. There are very scarce insurance related professionals. Insurance professionals per se also are not all that freely available. Then you get the actuaries who are very scarce in Sri Lanka. So you need to train a good workforce and sometimes train them even overseas.
Tell us about some of the challenges you help your customers to overcome.
You need to understand the need of the customer because there is no common answer to all insurance problems or insurance requirements. So what we do is we have a good sitting with the client, understand his needs. The important thing is to do a good risk assessment and a survey and make sure that we understand each other. And then we tailor the product to suit the client's needs.
And how do you give back to the community? What CSR projects do you have in place?
We take pride in preserving the culture and religion of our country. And also we do get involved in developing sports because we believe sports is an important factor to develop people.
And what does the future hold for Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation?
We have come a long way since 1962. We are a $1 billion asset-based company now. We are also a leader in insurance. And we are also already diversified into many other areas such as hospitals, gas in energy sector, and now the latest is in the hotel sector. We are also putting up a hotel which is 475 rooms, and this is going to be operated in Sri Lanka with international operators. And so we're looking forward to the listing, which will bring in many strategic partners.
Mohan, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks a lot.